Very good morning to our respective panel from the Brain 2022. I'm Major Prakash Nagapan, PhD student from the Faculty of Engineering, University Pertahanan Nasional Malaysia. In this morning, I would like to present the presentation on Composite 4 Emulex blasting prediction software using machine learning. Respective panels, I would like to introduce my team member, which is comprised first, Associate Professor Dr. Fakhrul Ridwan bin Ashim. Second, Professor IR Dr. Muhammad Alias bin Yusuf. Third, Colonel Professor Dr. Khairul Amali bin Ahmad. And then finally, me, Major Prakash Nagapat. The scope of my presentation comprised of introduction, objective, innovativeness, potential of commercializations, technology readiness, and summary. Introduction. This innovation generally was a prediction software for Composite 4 and Emulex explosive material. This software able to predict the blasting impact focus on four main parameters, which is peak pressure, time arrival, incident pressure, and reflective pressure. This innovation was replaced the conventional method, which using the serial blasting experiment for generate prediction. This software using the machine learning more specifically support vector machine or SVM method for generate explosive prediction. This software was developed using the Python code and embedded with the support with the machine as a data analyzer. The, analyze, the analyzing using Python-based platform able to determine explosive parameter using algorithm which train using historical data with a microsecond processing time. This software was this software does not require for installation, which allow flexible and user-friendly platform. The main objective of this innovation, first to develop blasting prediction model which can identify coloration performance in between composite for and emulate explosive performance with the supervised machine learning support vector machine. Second, to develop blasting prediction software for the medium explosive weight for the composite for and Emulex explosive which embedded machine learning using Python platform. Third, to reduce Malaysian heavy dependency on the foreign explosive and ammo material by utilizing secondary explosive in the local produce for the military needs. The innovativeness which comprised by this software were first, supervised machine learning method was used for analyze and determine explosive blasting parameter, which is a new approach to modeling explosion in the digital platform. Second, this innovation can be utilized the secondary commercial explosive which can produce from the N4 material for develop local made explosive material for Malaysian standard which in line with the self-sustained concept as drawn in the Malaysian Defence White Paper. The invention contribute numerous benefits and advantages contextual on the field of engineering and industrial application. First, the software adopts the concept of plug-play which flexible and simple for the end user use without need to install in the first place. Second, this invention can be expanded to multiple explosive material which allow future development to design more dynamic and complex architecture with the local developed software. Third, the software able to export to various formats such as comma separate values CSV and plain text format TXT with the analyzed time stamping features. Fourth, this innovation can be used as a tool to reduce Malaysian dependency on the foreign explosive manufacturer and use Emulex as alternative explosive and ammo material for Malaysian needs. This invention was in the fourth level, which is the lab validation stage, and intellectual property was applied on August 2022. Figure 1 shows the security features on C4 and Emulex blasting software, which is we need a username and password for access this software. While figure 2 shows the interface of C4 and Emulex blasting software, directly show the interface of application, while figure 3 show the sample of analysis which is conducted by the application. This brings me to the end of my presentation. To summarize my main point on C4 Emulex blasting prediction software were: first, the analysis using Python-based platform software able to determine explosive parameter with the microsecond processing time. Second, this invention ideal for the identify the explosive parameter up to 5 meter distance and medium weight explosive with a range 1 kg weight. The accuracy of this model lies between 89 to 93% with the experiment data. Fourth, the local made application can reduce dependency of Malaysian on explosive material on foreign nation. This software, first we insert the username, which is admin, and the password, and we click the login. Whenever we have the username and the password, it's correct password and correct username, then we can access to mainframe, which is we can see the C4 Emulex explosive blasting prediction model. First, we can see here C4 explosive input. Here we can see shape, weight, and distance. For shape, for example, I choose hemisphericals and I put the weight is 0.5. And for example, I want to identify the parameter on 3 meter. Whenever I click calculate, then I can identify the C4 explosive blasting effect on 3 meter is a peak incident overpressure, the time arrival, incident impulse, and refractive impulse. And same time, I can identify the equivalent Emulex explosive weight, which is 0.657 kg, to get the same impact as 0.5 Emulex. Next, whenever I want to export this, what we call this parameter, I can click Save As, and I can put in desktop and create Emulex C4 Emulex point analysis dot text. Then I can save. Here I can identify the date and time, explosive shape, explosive weight, distance, peak incident overpressure, time arrival, incident impulse and refractive impulse, and equivalent Emulex explosive weight.